Governor Fubara's dramatic showdown at Rivers State House of Assembly. Hello guys, welcome once again to Think Tank TV. Now it's obvious that a battle line has been drawn in Rivers State, as information has it that the 27 lawmakers disembarked and ran away upon citing Governor Fubara. Yes, Governor Fubara standing purposefully with his security details towards the assembly quarters dressed like a mafia, obviously with the disposition of readiness for the worst case scenario. Interestingly, in a bold move that has sent shockwaves through the political landscape in Rivers State, unconfirmed reports has it that President Tinubu has washed his hands of the Rivers political crisis. Recall Governor Fubara had in his statement stated that the 27 lawmakers he graciously restated into their position have betrayed the trust placed in them by the people of Rivers State, emphasizing their clandestine efforts to undermine his administration and enact unfavorable laws. Like you can see in the video, Governor Fubara and his security detail entering the assembly quarters. Governor Fubara, clad in a commanding presence, stormed the quarters, and upon his arrival, allegedly, information has it that the 27 lawmakers ran for their dear lives. Recall that yesterday, in a bold display of loyalty, 4 assembly legislators swiftly elected Victor Oko Jumbo, the member representing Bonny State constituency, as the factional speaker.
Well, we have adjourned to another legislative day. We will brief the press. We'll communicate our proceedings to the public and engage them. We'll make sure that they are part of what we are doing to ensure that there is transparency and clarity in the 10th Legislative Assembly.
Also recall that Fubara in a statement yesterday stated, "Let this be a warning to all those who seek to destabilize our state. The will of the people shall prevail, and those who stand against it will face the consequences." Affirming that, I will not hesitate to take decisive actions to protect the interests of the Rivers State people and its citizens.
I need to make a statement on this thing so that they understand that they're not existing. The existence is me allowing them to exist. If I didn't recognize them, they are nowhere.
Do well to stay tuned for more updates coming from the Rivers State political crisis, as we promise to keep you updated. Many thanks indeed to all our viewers and returning subscribers. We really do not take it lightly. My name again is Moses, and this is Think Tank TV. See you on our next video. Bye for now.